For the brine, you need 2/3 cup of vinegar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, and about a 6 cup of sugar. You want to season the pickles to what you like, but in this recipe, I use red and black pepper, paprika, mustard seeds, garlic cloves, and dill. Make sure your jars are clean and that they can be airtight. Get your vegetables out. I used jalapenos for this recipe and make sure they're washed. I cut them into little spears. Like so. Now you want to add your brine ingredients, your water, vinegar, now your salt, your sugar. Now you want to shake them up to make sure they're dissolved. Shake them. Yep. And now you're going to season them. This is how I like my pickles. So I added black pepper, mustard seeds, paprika, sprinkled paprika, red pepper, like dill stalks, and garlic cloves. I did 3 for each jar. Once again, you just want to shake them, make sure everything is incorporated. It's okay if your produce isn't completely submerged in the brine like you can see mine wasn't, but just make sure you take them out of the fridge every few days and flip them.